What, Josie? What?
Well, your boyfriend is he's fine or not fine?
Yes. Oh.
You and him together right now?
Like back all?
No, Bakal, no. You have boyfriend right now?
Oh.
Okay. አይ የተጣላችሁ መኮራረፍ ላይ ያላችሁ መስሎኝ እኮ ነው። ኖ መጣላት አይደል? No beef with him.
No, indeed, no.
You happy right now? You happy?
Yeah.
I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you, I swear. Daisy.
Thanks, Josie. Thank you.
Yeah. Daisy, no matalat, yes. No matalat. Daisy. She's fine, me and you friend.
Oh, back all? Like the seats?
Yeah. Her name is
Oh! Deborah?
Yeah. She's fine.
Oh, so done on his show. Yeah.
He's right now USA, right?
Oh, yeah. Getting Leila Estates.
Leila Estate?
Yeah. Leila Estates.
She lives with who? With Herman?
No, I don't. Eswa Timurtabit College.
College? Okay. Last time you say she don't have boyfriend, right?
Eswa Fikrinya Yelishin. No, Fikrinya Yelishin.
Yeah. This is amazing. Amazing, Daisy.
On it!
Yeah, you know I'm single, right?
Ow. Gina.
No.
Eswa Fikr Hewitt is Balagi. Fikr. But Eswa Aura or Fikr Hewitt Balagi, no. Balagi.
Okay, so Fikr Hewitt, no? She don't want love?
Ow, Eswa Alfilligan. Eswa Alfilligan.
Okay. I talked to her. She is very, very, very nice person.
Guys, you know this guys, Ikarta, this triggered any meet Sawach back allow, any like meet Josie back allow, and like Guadinho Aling Manamin. Hulam Sawach Jinjana Yini Guadinho. I swear to Sawach just Yamshi Guadinha, like
Okay. Daisy.
Josie Monas.
No, Deborah Cancer. Desta, she's fine.
Oh, Desta, yeah. Oh, that's what I did on the show.
She have boyfriend?
Ahun.
I follow her. She didn't follow me. Why? I'm so sad.
Josie. ምንድነው የኔ ሁሉም ጓደኞች አንተ just
በጣም ጠዲ ናቸው። They're nice person, that's why. They're nice.
ወይኔ ጆሲ ወይኔ ብላችሁ
like sisterly brotherly. Last time your friends the boys you know you remember the boys last time when we meet when we meet like at Bole, Desta, Deborah, you, Dave, with other boys, you remember?
Oh, the Lila Window Jow, yeah.
Yeah. I don't like them. That's day, I swear to God. Because
wait, Min, what?
I don't like them. Why? Because they በምን ላስረዳሽ መናትሽ ዲዚ I don't like them በቃ that's it I don't like them
so you need like the window like Ezekiel like lemon algobaኝ lemon
no the talking way I don't like them
indeed ሁሉም outer indeed no balagino
no ሁሉንም አላወራም like I don't like their energy
Okay. Yeah. I only like when the it's like that was
Wanduch, I don't like Dasta and Deborah, nice person. More Dasta. Listen.
any like when the triggered any back again like it's Yini Guadinho Idolum. Like it's Yini Guadinho.
Areluma. Dasta is your friend?
Desta Yini Guadinho again, like of course like Lilo Windoch because they're friends with each other, so yeah.
Dasta lives in Ethiopia or Dubai or USA?
Like USA.
She right now USA or Addis Ababa?
I don't know why Ethiopia.
Why me and her eat food lunch? Why?
Wait, አንተ ትያቄስ ወንዲ ምንድነው ሁሉም ሰዎች አውረው ያንቺ ጓደኛ እንዴት ነው ምን እኔ ምንድነው
Lizzy, I'm your brother, so this is favor for me.
አረ ወይኔ just because አንተ የኔ ወንድም እኔ አውረው የኔ ሰዎች ሂጂ and
listen, you are my sister, so favor, this is favor for me.
Any also again triggered by any guarding please.
No, I'm not good person, Daisy.
Ante yini wendem.
Yes, I'm your brother.
Okay, Gin.
Me and Dasta eat lunch. Bye. Or follow him. I told her, follow him. I follow her. Follow what? We will talk. And we will go.
You come, text Desta, bye. Okay.
Daisy! Oh my goodness, Daisy.
Guys, Annie and Josie Bakal and say Esu is like Zaf. Like Esu like Esu tall.
I'm looking.
Mindino, any no is on to them size someone.
Yeah, no.
Okay.
Honest.
And the little kizzy.
Daisy, where have you been?
Any just hear it,
Josie, what the hell?
No, in the Arabas, no.
ወንድሜ ነው ጆሲ ወንድሜ ነው ወዳለው አይደል እንዴ ያልሽው ወንድሜ ጆሲ መጣ አይደል ያልሽው
አማርኛ
my brother Josie is here you say
አንተ የኔ ወንድማ